Let's step through the test lab guide for configuring SharePoint Server 2013 in a three-tier farm. The SharePoint 2013 three-tier farm stack consists of the Base Configuration Test Lab Guide, or TLG, the SQL Server 2012 or 2008 R2 TLG, which installs SQL Server on a separate computer named SQL1. Note that if you're going to build on the SharePoint Server 2013 Business Intelligence TLG stack, you must use SQL Server 2012. And lastly, the three-tier farm TLG, which creates the web, application, and database tiers of a SharePoint farm. Now let's build it out. In step 1, you start with the CorpNet subnet of the base configuration, which includes DC1, the Active Directory Domain Services or ADDS domain controller, App1, a web and file sharing application server, and Client1, a web client computer. In step 2, you add another computer named SQL1. In step 3, you install SQL Server on SQL1. Note that this is different than the default instructions of the SQL Server 2012 and 2008 R2 TLGs, which install SQL Server on App1. In step 4, you install SharePoint Server 2013 on App1 and create a new SharePoint farm. App1 uses SQL1 as its database server. In step 5, you add another computer named WFE1 for the web front-end server. In step 6, you install SharePoint Server 2013 on WFE1, joining the SharePoint farm created for App1. You also create a default Contoso team site. WFE1, App1, and SQL1 are now the web, application, and database tiers of a three-tier SharePoint farm. In step 7, you demonstrate the facilities of the default Contoso team site from Client 1. For more information about TLGs for SharePoint 2013, go to the SharePoint 2013 Test Lab portal at aka.ms/sptlgs. Also visit microsoft.com/testlabguides.